Hello everyone, recently I have purchased a electric sharpener from Amazon, so let's unbox it. The price is around 600 rupees. So it's Brustro's electric sharpener. Now let's cut the tape and see what's inside. They have given us an extra sharpener, and here is our main electric sharpener. You can see it's Brustro's electric sharpener. So here are two mechanisms, one is electric and one is normal. From here we have to put two batteries. So let's try to sharpen a pencil. I am using 10B pencil. You can see how nicely it has sharpened it. You can also sharpen charcoal pencil, as you can see, and the lid will also not broke. You can open it, and from here you can throw the dust of the pencil. You can see how nicely it has sharpened this pencil also. Now let's try normal mode. Here it has also sharpened it nicely. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.